1,234 times 3. This is multiplicand and this is multiplier. This number...
Gonna make groups again.
What?
Gonna make groups again.
Yeah. This number, we will combine this 3 times. This number, we're going to combine it 3 times.
Okay.
Because of the multiplier 3.
Okay.
Okay? And these numbers, we're going to put this number here using this one.
Okay.
This is the ones, tens, hundreds, and 1,000. Okay? Okay. Do it. Okay, you're going to combine this all and stop at 10. Okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Keep it. Skip this 10. Put it back here. Oops.
Sorry. I made a mistake.
Okay, and change it into what? Change it into
I already know.
10. And put it where?
Yeah.
There. Count it.
1, 2, 3. Wait, let me start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Change it into...
Mama,
Yes, what?
Jimmy?
Yes, it's Jimmy. 100.
Jimmy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. No. You're not going to change it. If it is not more than 10, you're just going to combine it. Okay?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. How many?
Mama, Ate?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This, how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. So what's the answer?
1, 2.
1, 2. And as you can see, there's no tens here. So we're going to put 0 here.
0.
Yeah. And how many 100?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Let's check. 4 times 3, 12. 2, carry 1. 3 times 3, 9. Plus 1, 10. That's why we put 0 here. And carry over 1.
Okay.
3 times 2, 6 plus 1 equals 7.
Easy.
3 times 2,
Easy.
6. Okay, your answer is correct.